You are going to love the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, sunroof package, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.